We present ACL repair using a knotless suture implant. After complete diagnostic arthroscopy is conducted, the intercondylar notch is entered and the ACL is probed. A Sherman 1 tear of the posterior lateral bundle, as well as a partial tear of the anterior medial bundle, is noted. Note that there is no fraying in the ACL fibers. Marrow stimulation is conducted by placing multiple drill holes into the ACL footprint. This acts to enhance the biologic environment for healing. It is conducted at low revolutions per minute to a depth of about 4 millimeters. Next, using the anterior medial portal, the appropriate drill is placed down a drill guide to make a hole for anchor placement at the anatomical footprint. Without removing the drill guide, the knotless suture anchor is placed down the guide and impacted into the footprint. After the anchor has been fully impacted, gently pulling on the sutures helps to set the anchor. Using a self-retrieving suture passer, the repair stitch is passed from proximal to middle 1/3 and the lateral to medial direction through the posterior lateral bundle of the ACL. It is then reloaded into the suture passing device and passed from middle 1/3 to proximal from medial to lateral. Using the speckled passing stitch, the blue repair stitch is shuttled through the anchor. This is accomplished using short, quick tugs. Further tension on the repair stitch reduces the ACL to the footprint. The excess suture is then cut with the use of an arthroscopic suture cutter. Finally, the repaired ACL is probed and noted to be anatomically reduced to the footprint.